Actually, I didn't even have my handbrake on, bro.
Yeah. Oh, beautiful car. Oh, yo, listen to that exhaust. Stage 3 rev up. Fucking ultimate mode DJ.
Oh shit, it's 40, I'm doing 50.
40 here now.
Speed limit over there was 30, bro.
Sure, brother.
I mean, nah, speed limit over there was 60.
I thought it was 16. It's got 60, no? You know what this car reminds me of, man? That's
Which one?
the same interior in it.
That Vector, yeah.
It's that same interior. That's why I kind of like it.
Wow. Just look at that view, guys. Look at the view.
If you're wondering, guys, this is a stock exhaust.
Stock exhaust.
Stock exhaust. I think there might be a hole in this somewhere because it's extremely loud.
Just you wait till I get a Cobra, bro.
A coat?
A Cobra. Cobra exhaust, yeah.
Cobra exhaust.
Wait, can they even hit? Or is the wind interfering?
Who knows?
We'll find
I don't
out.
know, man.
We'll find out. Oh yeah. You're gonna get yourself copyrighted, bro.
Saying on pump smoke. The soon one, man. The soon's behind us. How soon he is behind us and look in front of us. Dead.
But yeah, look at all that dust on that car, bro.
Just clean your car.
Wow, look at all them windmills. Beautiful.
Beautiful. What is this place? Oh, driving through Blackport.
Yep.
So that one's 20 degrees, man.
Innit? We need the winds down. It's got some on Marsh Road, isn't it?
I get close, I'm going to jump on and help him. I'm going to lock it up for him.
Oh, is this Fast and Furious? Oh, is this Fast and Furious?
Bro, the top of his thing keeps wobbling. It's like locked in place.
Oh yeah, it is, isn't it? Yeah, it's actually not.
Like going straight out, you have to try straight in, man. You spend like $1,000 on the turbo,
Yeah.
and then £200 on fucking street tires.
That's bridge.
I probably need 3 tires, but I reckon I'll
Because we saw
set the
two
back 2 ones
cracking.
and the front one probably other.
Because we saw 2 of them cracking. So I'm assuming there will be another one. Potholes here, man. I have to dodge them all. There's one.
Slow down,
2, 3. Let's go fly. Why is he going so
That's
slow?
air time 1.3 seconds.
Thank you. Is that world record or?
Score points 50,000.
Come on.
Chilling. Today is the Queen Jubilee. Thank you, the Queen.
Just look at that view.
Look at them cows.
Beautiful.
Look at that view and you
Oh, everyone needs to just stop there.
That wall down long, just park it inside the house.
Isn't it? Just park it on the actual
Park
grass.
in the grass, bro.
If this guy is going the same way as me, wallahi I'm overtaking him.
Don't go down.
Obviously going down.
So this is a 1.4 litre, 800 horsepower, 0 to 60 in 12 seconds still.
Just got
Where
my
you
car
going
washed. Just got my car washed, but I don't want to wash on it.
Let's see, there's no left indicator.
Oh, smells like shit. Oh, yes, there is.
Yes, it is, man. Yeah, it smells like shit.
It smells like dog one.
What a beautiful drive.
Come on, bro. Only 30 driving around here, bro.
Yeah. Certain. Only city driving, city.
Come
Or
on.
city, man. What a beautiful scenery, man.
It's amazing, really. Like, look at all these trees. In it, it's gonna sound mental.
I think your cold start. Oh, now.
My neighbours will
Your
hate
current will
me.
come out, the current will come out. Hey, do that.
What are you doing? I'm trying to sleep.
You say, sorry, Karen. You are my love.
Sorry, my love.
Slow down. This sign says something, slow down. Council paid for this sign. Look at this sign.
In it.
They paid for this sign. There's never been one accident here.
Pay for that sign, but can't pay for the boat.
Come look at the road in front, how bad it is. There's never actually been an accident right here.
I can't imagine, no. Don't
Who
jinx
heard
it.
about it? Yeah, this road, look at it, look at it.
Hate him. This is what I'm paying road tax for. This.
Look at this guy. This guy paid road tax that is half on the road.
Bro, do you pay road tax that you putting your tent on the road?
You think, yeah, what's this on this guy's head? It's funny at night, they open the cops because it flashes red, blue, red.
Oh yeah,
blue.
true, yeah. Also, viewers, some of you may not know, but
Yeah.
one of our closest boys, Zeno Records,
Yeah.
just passed his driving test today. First case.
Inshallah. Alhamdulillah.
Now,
Habibullah.
now we have more car videos to make once he gets his car.
More car videos.
Soon land.
And you're going to see a new clan come out.
Oi,
Coming
oi,
soon.
oi.
What the hell? Mr. VOSA? Bismillah. Like that. Show them your startup. What is your startup? Okay guys, listen to this. DSG farts from the front of his car.
Oh, what? Turn the car off and shit, yeah.
Watch it. Listen to this DSG farts, guys. It's not from the back of the car, it's from the front of the car.
Need to wait till there's no cars coming, so then you can hear it better.
No? You hear that, guys? DSG farts, crackle, pops, all from the front of the car. Mental, guys. Guys.